What new vulnerabilities in Russia's economy have Ukraine's 2026 strikes exposed? Recent attacks have revealed cracks that experts say could reshape Russia's economic resilience and global standing. The 2026 Ukrainian strikes targeted major energy infrastructure in Russia, including pipelines that supply gas to Europe and crucial oil processing plants. This has not only cut off vital revenue streams, but also exposed how dependent Russia is on aging energy networks. The damage has forced Russia to reroute supplies through less efficient routes, increasing costs and causing delays. These attacks reveal a vulnerability in Russia's ability to maintain steady energy exports, a cornerstone of its economy. Beyond energy, Ukraine's strikes have targeted Russia's industrial heartlands, focusing on logistics hubs and manufacturing plants. This disruption has caused slowdowns in production lines and created bottlenecks in transporting goods, both domestically and abroad. It shows how vulnerable Russia's supply chains are when critical nodes are attacked, revealing weaknesses in infrastructure redundancy and emergency response. The strikes highlight Russia's economic fragility when key industrial centers are compromised. The economic damage from these strikes rippled into Russia's financial markets, causing stock volatility and increased investor wariness. Foreign investment has become more tentative, and sanctions enforcement has tightened due to the vulnerabilities exposed. This financial uncertainty adds another layer of pressure on Russia's economy, potentially limiting growth and access to international capital. It's a sign that the strikes affect not just physical assets, but also economic confidence. Overall, Ukraine's 2026 strikes have revealed that Russia's economic model, heavily dependent on energy exports and centralized infrastructure, is increasingly vulnerable. The damage and disruptions could accelerate structural economic decline if not addressed. This includes challenges in diversifying the economy, maintaining infrastructure resilience, and managing international sanctions. The strikes act as a warning sign of deeper economic instability ahead for Russia. Ukraine's 2026 strikes have exposed new, critical weaknesses in Russia's economy, from energy supply disruptions to shaken investor confidence. These vulnerabilities could reshape Russia's economic future more than many realize. If you want daily answers to questions you didn't know you had, hit subscribe and stay curious.